The tiny messengers that help our body stay balanced, exosomes. These natural vesicles carry vital signals between cells, supporting repair and communication throughout the body. As we age, the number of stem cells and exosomes naturally declines, reducing our body's ability to regenerate and maintain optimal health. But scientists have discovered a remarkable source: Wharton's jelly stem cells. Exosomes derived from these stem cells carry regenerative molecules that may help restore balance, reduce inflammation, and promote vitality. Research suggests they may support brain and nerve health, helping with focus, cognitive clarity, and healthy neurocommunication in conditions such as ADHD, autism, Alzheimer's, or stroke recovery. Studies also explore their potential in regulating metabolism, supporting insulin sensitivity in diabetes, hormonal balance, stress recovery, and even better sleep cycles. From anti-aging and cardiovascular support to improved organ vitality and immune balance, exosomes represent the science of inner regeneration. CytoNext Exosome Inhaler, a breakthrough wellness innovation that delivers Wharton's jelly-derived exosomes through gentle inhalation. Each breath helps your body restore balance from within. CytoNext, inspired by nature, designed through science. Support your body's natural regeneration, one breath at a time.